Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on your Realme 16. So what you guys want to do first is toggle the Bluetooth off and on in the settings. So here we have the settings. We need to go up to Bluetooth, and if it's turned on, make sure to turn it off and turn it on again. As you guys can see, I do have my device paired, but it's not connecting. So what we should do, we should click on the information icon on it, click Unpair, and now it's gone. What we're going to do next is, I do use the AirPods 3 Pro, so there's no button on the back, there's nothing. I just double tap the front case, and all I do is double tap it, then I click refresh here, and they should pop up. So you need to enter pairing mode with your own headphones. Now once you do that, you will have them paired, and if that did not work, restart the phone by simply pressing the power button and volume up button at the same time. Swipe up restart, and for me, I just have to close the case. So now we're waiting for the phone to turn back on, and I'll see you guys in a second. Now after the restart, what we're going to do is, of course, we're going to open up the phone, go to settings, and as a last resort, update the software to fix any connectivity glitches. So go over to system and update, tap on software update, and here you want to make sure that you're on the latest version. It will check for updates automatically. All you need is Wi-Fi connection, and as you guys can see soon, we should have our verdict. So my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating, and that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.